Welcome to JH. I will guide you through the process of obtaining Envato Elements assets at no cost. Envato Elements is a well-known subscription platform providing a vast array of creative tools like audio, video, graphics, and web templates. While these premium resources usually require a paid plan, I have a method to help you get them for free. For example, if you find a web template you like, simply copy its title. Next, visit a site called a-download.com. This platform hosts a massive collection of Envato content for free. Just enter the template name into their search bar to see if the exact item or a very similar alternative is available for download. It is common to find the exact asset or a high-quality substitute on this site. For instance, searching for a specific template name often yields great results. If the exact match isn't there, you will usually find comparable options that are either free or heavily discounted. However, keep in mind that certain items like fonts are more difficult to locate for free on a-download. While it is excellent for video templates and stock photos, you might need paid sources for specific fonts. If you only have a few projects, browsing these free alternatives is a smart move. But for those working on multiple projects, the Envato subscription, starting around $14.50 monthly, is a solid investment. It offers millions of assets and saves significant time. Students can even grab a 31% discount using a valid academic email. Paying for a subscription is worthwhile if you need unlimited downloads of professional content regularly. If you are just starting, stick to free sites like a-download. You can even turn this into a side hustle by creating a website on Wix or WordPress to share these free resources, earning passive income through ads or affiliate links. Another option is offering design services on Fiverr or Upwork. By using free, high-quality templates as a foundation for client work, you can keep your overhead low and prices competitive. These resources are also perfect for personal projects, allowing you to mix and match different elements like logos and icons to build something unique without spending a dime. Finding these gems is like a treasure hunt that requires a bit of patience. If you can't find an exact match, a few tweaks to a similar resource can often produce the perfect result. You could even share your findings on a blog or YouTube channel to help others. For niche items like fonts, try dedicated sites like Google Fonts, DaFont, or Font Squirrel, which offer excellent commercial use options. Joining creative communities on Reddit or Facebook is another great way to discover shared resources. Additionally, sites like Creative Market offer weekly freebies if you sign up for their newsletter. Finally, always be cautious about licensing. Check the usage rights for every asset, especially for commercial projects, to avoid copyright issues. Stick to reputable platforms and always read the terms of service to ensure your work remains professional and legal.